Hey guys, it's Fanie here. This is going to be my first video for my business page about giving some extra value for accountants on scaling their business and their practice. So today is going to be 5 reasons why accountants are not scaling their business and not breaking through the revenue plateau. See, I talk with a lot of accountants, and the main thing is they work so hard and they just don't make more money. They try to scale their business, but they just rack up all the expenses and they just don't make more profit. So they're working harder, more people to manage and everything like that, and eventually they're just not actually seeing the return. So I'm going to make a quick video about 5 reasons why this is not happening for some accountants. So the first reason is accountants are very good at accounting, but not very good at anything else, as in business or marketing. See, they don't have real training or expertise in the business side, in the marketing side, and branding themselves and putting themselves out there and getting clients. But the actual services they deliver, they know very well. So they don't understand that marketing is supposed to be about the client or the user or the consumer. They love to talk about themselves and just, yes, we've been in business for like 20 years and we offer 20 services and we can do everything for you. And never once have they ever thought about, okay, let's pick a niche. Let's target a specific group of people with a specific problem. Never have ever in South Africa, for some reason, nobody's picking a niche. All the consumers out there and all the clients out there just like, yes, I have this practice, let's say physiotherapists. Okay, me as a physiotherapist, I need an accountant. And they go and there's 300 accountants on one platform all selling, well, we can offer you everything. Well, it doesn't help to tell them that you can offer them everything if there's 300 other accountants saying the exact same thing. That doesn't make you differentiate. That doesn't make you stand out at all. Because every accountant has 20 years of experience or even 5 years of experience. So the premise and the basic is that you can obviously deliver the service. That's not the issue here. The issue here is, do you actually understand your client's business? Do you actually understand who they are, what their business is about, what they're actually going through? Because you can't sell to someone and just like, okay, yes, I'm the best person for you. But they're like, why? No, because I'm an accountant, I offer accounting services. No, you need to tell them because I'm an expert at physiotherapists, or I know your business inside and out, and I understand what you're going through, and I understand what problem you are having, and I can solve that problem. So accountants don't really understand that point, and they're all doing the exact same thing and just telling the exact same message of, yes, we have been in business for so long and just doing it for so long and we're so good at our services. But everybody is saying that. So that's the first point I want to make. Accountants don't understand business and marketing, and they need to start seeing from a different perspective. So the second reason is they don't really use digital marketing. See, I understand that most accountants live on referrals, and yes, the entire business is built on referrals because it's a personal business, it's a personal service that you're offering, so you want someone to recommend that. Yes, but what happens if you want to scale past that? What if you don't want to get 1 or 2 clients every 3 months or 4 months? What if you actually want to make money, you want to make real money and actually scale your business to 7 figures and beyond? Then you actually need to do some marketing. And I'm not talking about just creating a website. I'm talking about actual digital marketing. It doesn't need to be paid advertising at first. It can be organic. But you need to put yourself out there. You need to market to people. You need to actually be starting talking to people on platforms such as Facebook, such as LinkedIn. I don't really use Twitter or Instagram that much, but I can tell you that only Facebook and only LinkedIn will get you a lot of clients very quickly if you just start talking to them and understanding what they're going through and all their business is about, and just start marketing to them with digital marketing. You can't just live on referrals the whole time. Well, you can, but then you'll never grow. You never scale your business. You'll just get your 1 or 2 clients every now and then. And it's not even to say that's clients that you want. What if it's clients that you don't want? What if it's clients that are difficult to serve and you're just spending all your time on them and you don't get enough money for that? So you want to get your ideal clients. So your ideal clients is clients that you specifically target because they pay a lot of money, don't have problem paying you, and you can offer the service quite easily without a problem, and you can train your staff even to offer your service to them. It needs to be only 1 or 2 or 3 services, but it needs to be services that they actually want. It's not something that you just pull out of the air and just like, okay, I'm offering these services. No, it's what they want. It's what it's about. That's what you need to be talking about. You need to be talking about them, their problems, their business. So that's the second point, is use digital marketing. It's not foreign. It's not, no, it doesn't work. No, learn it, learn how to do it, or get someone to do it for you. But digital marketing works. Okay, so in third, now you've done your marketing or whatever, accountants don't understand sales. You can't believe this. They don't understand sales. So they think that a sale is supposed to take like 1 or 2 months. Now, okay, I'm getting the guy on the phone, we're scheduling a meeting, scheduling another meeting, then I'm going to offer a proposal, and a month after that he's going to come back to me, and then eventually the client will sign up. No, just close the guy on the first one. Close the guy on the first sales call. Why not? Why is that such a big thing to think about? Just close the guy now. Because if you have an offer that is tailored specifically to that specific niche and their specific problem, then they already want the solution. They're already ready to buy. They want to buy now because they have that problem and you need to sell them the solution. So just give it to them and let them pay up front. Don't wait a month or 2 months. You say you pay first, then I give you the services. Because you already know from the research you're supposed to have done that that's the problem they have and that's what they want to solve. So just, how can I put this? Just stop thinking old-fashioned. Think about, yes, I want the money now. I want to give them the solution now. We want to solve this problem right now. So just the salesmen, the accountants, they really struggle with this. And like me, I have a sales script that I go through, and the whole premise of it is don't talk about yourself. The sale is supposed to go about him, his problems, what he's going through. So if you're on the sales call, talk about them. Ask questions about their business. Ask them what they want. And when they actually tell you what they want, just give it to them. They'll pay on the spot. They'll even pay over the phone. But I can tell you now that a sales process is not supposed to go for 1 or 2 months. It needs to go now, because you need to see the cash flow and the return right now. You can't be spending 2 months on a client and then he doesn't sign up or he don't sign up. So that's the third one. These accountants don't know or don't understand sales. Then accountants still charge an hourly rate. Now, I've absolutely no idea who came up with this idea of charging per hour, but that's one of the stupidest ideas I've ever heard. Because if you charge per hour, that means that your income and your profit that you can make has a cap. Because there's only so many hours, and there's only so many days, and there's only so many months. So if you can work 70, 80 hours a week, that's a lot, and you bill every single hour of that, okay, great. But can you do more? No, you can't do more. You can't scale beyond that. So how will you ever become a millionaire and become extremely rich or doing what you actually love if you charge hourly? You can't charge hourly. Charge what you're worth. Charge what the actual value of your service is. Don't charge per hour, because if this, let's say for example, now you charge for a tax service. Okay, so you're saving that client, let's say 10,000 Rand on taxes every month or every second month. That means the value of your service is 10,000 Rand, and you're charging him, let's say 500 Rand an hour or 1,000 Rand an hour if you're really expensive. And then, what? No, the service is supposed to take you only a few hours, so you won't get that much money for it. First of all, because you're already an expert at it, you already know what you're doing, so it's only going to take a few hours. But then the value you're offering for your client is 10,000 Rand then. Why would you only charge 1 or 2,000 Rand for the 4 hours that you're doing the work? Charge what it's worth. And the clients won't mind, because they know you offer a great service and they know that you're saving them 10,000 Rand per month or whatever. And then they'll still be happy to pay that because they still get the value of the service. So if you ever want to scale your business and actually make a lot of money with your accounting practice, just stop charging hourly, man. Damn. So, oh, now they're starting to cut the grass. Okay, so the fifth thing, just quick, is accountants don't automate. They don't automate their business. So everything is still paper-based, and a lot of it is paper-based. Okay, some of you are actually doing some great stuff with your services. That's automation, and yeah, okay, great. That's a good start. But for your own business, you don't want to be doing administrative work on paper the whole time. You want to be doing everything that you actually adds value to your business. You don't want to be going for, I don't know, just automate your systems. You can automate everything from your invoicing to your paying customers to your filing systems. Everything can be automated. It's not that difficult. It's not even that expensive. There's real great software out there that can automate most of everything, and it will save you so much time. And we all know time is money, so it's going to save you money as well. So, and at the end of the day, what I want to get to with that point is your marketing don't need to be labor intensive. It can also be automated. So if you automate your marketing or your sales system or your sales funnel or whatever, your digital marketing, if you automate that, then you don't need to be spending all of your time on marketing. All you need to do is take the calls, take the sales calls. Your marketing system will just generate those calls for you, and that's what you want. You want a system that can just generate more and more and more leads for you, and all you need to do is learn how sales work and just do the call and get more customers. So that's the 5 points. First of all, business and marketing. Accountants need to know how that works. Then accountants need to be using digital marketing. That's really important. Then practice your sales. Understand that sales is not a 1 or 2 month process. Just understand the sales. Stop charging hourly rates. That's really not a good thing for your business. Stop charging hourly rates, and then start automating your business. Start saving your time. So thank you guys. That will be the five points I want to make today. Thanks.